Hello everyone, my name is Doris Hernandez Ducova and today I am connected from Bogotá, the capital of Colombia. I am the CEO of NGO Alianza Colombo-Búlgara and also a member of World Council of Intercultural and Global Competencies. I am the author of the book The Dark Side of Success, which deals with cultural adaptation and working in high-performing multicultural teams. I was participant in the LEA conference organized by Workbora Education Team in representation of support community for middle classes. I am an academic director of Colombo Bulgarian Alliance, an NGO dedicated to promote the international relations between Colombia and Bulgaria. Its main objective is to serve as a bridge between Bulgarian and Colombian higher education institutions, facilitating the dissemination of their academic affairs, opportunities for semester-long studies, short terms or research stays, and providing support for the development of research projects. Our main activities are four. First, the organization of Bulgarian events in Colombia. Second, carrying out academic, cultural, or business missions to Bulgaria. Then, organization and implementation of the Coffee with Purpose initiatives. And finally, the organization of cultural initiatives, both Bulgarian in Colombia and Colombia in Bulgaria. The most important professional initiatives for me are the workshop under open space methodology and the leading of community support for middle classes. The internationalization workshop under open space methodology has been held since 2015 and to date more than 16 sessions have been held in 8 countries. In December 2019, the internationalization workshop was held in an hybrid format between Colombia and Argentina, a premonitory actions for what was to come in 2020 with the pandemic. 3 webinars gave rise to what is now the support community for middle classes, and to date with the participation of 84 institutions from 16 countries. Our network has received numerous awards and recognitions, and I consider that the most important to be is the recognition of Ministry of Education of Colombia as a best practice of curriculum internationalization. Another achievement is to be finalist for the Latin American Education Innovation Award between 195 applications. Our most promissory project is the Leadership Camps for International Education. The next will be held in Canada on August this year. One of my greatest professional achievements is having represented Colombia at Expo Dubai and promoted the Project Colombia, a quality academic and scientific destination. My message to 2026, that is the same message from the last chapter of my book. You can live with a broken heart, with life hanging by a thread, with your soul shattered, with gratitude for the life and health. Keep raising your arms, pick up your pieces, be reborn and bloom. We are Workbora team from Colombia and Bulgaria. I'm Doris, and I would to say hello 2026.